Morning YouTube. Today's video is talking about how to improve efficiency for your battery. So far I do some DIY busbar for my system, and then I tie all my batteries to the busbar, all negatives on one side, all positive on one side. I have 4 strings of 24 volts. Each string is going to the busbar. So when you have that, the batteries will be staying in balance. Batteries don't really like to be in parallel in too many wires passing to each other. It's better to put them in a busbar. 4 strings of 24 volts, each of them tie up there. So far, I see a big improvement in my system. Huge improvement. All the batteries, they're charging together. When I pull it out, I pull it out on all of them at the same time. Welcome back, folks. For the past few months I'm in solar. I've been learning a lot. It's not really too good to have all the batteries firing in parallel. When you put in power to them and then pulling out from them, most times some of the batteries do not balancing properly. So what I did some busbar. Since I'm a DIY guy, I did some busbar to type all the batteries in them, and I couldn't afford to buy new busbar overseas, so I had to come up with a plan to do my own busbar. So what I do, I got some copper pipe, smash them together, put them into two together, and then bolt them together, so I tie all my batteries on it. These are my North Star batteries. These are beautiful batteries. I love them. This is the busbar in the back there. Better improvement in my system. A lot better. When I go to bed, when I get up in the morning, my batteries was still 25.6. When I get up at 5 in the morning. So what I've done today. Today I do 3 kilowatt today. 43 amps going to the battery. 112 amp hours. That's my mate. There's not much sun anymore. The charcoal is still tracking, but it's like 40 watts I'm bringing right now. There's an end of it's after 5. That's my OutBack inverter. GFX1424E. There's my meat over here.